Deep in Israel's southern desert lies a fortress few outsiders truly understand, Nevatim Airbase. To the untrained eye, it's just another airfield, but to those who know, it's the beating heart of Israel's air dominance. From stealth operations to satellite-guided missions, this base hides more secrets than any map can reveal. Some say it's where the F-35I Adir takes flight for missions no one will ever admit happened. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we dive into the hidden world of Nevatim, a place where silence, shadows, and strategy meet to defend one of the most advanced nations on Earth. Built for precision and secrecy, Nevatim Airbase isn't just about aircraft. It's about control. Beneath the scorching desert sands lie tunnels, command centers, and data hubs linked directly to Israel's space satellites. Every drone strike, every air patrol, and every high-risk mission begins here. The base connects Israel's laser defense systems, its radar networks, and even its cyber defense command, all synchronized for one goal: dominance of the skies. Nevatim isn't just a base, it's a nerve center, where intelligence meets firepower, and where Israel's future wars are already being rehearsed. But what truly shocks the world is how deep its reach goes. U.S. defense officials have quietly called Nevatim one of the most advanced air installations outside American soil. It houses the F-35I Adir, Israel's customized stealth jet, capable of striking deep into enemy territory with precision unseen anywhere else. From here, Israel monitors the Middle East in real time, ready to act in seconds. Nevatim isn't just an airbase, it's a message, a silent reminder that Israel's eyes are always open and its power always ready.